Hi guys! Welcome to my cooking channel. For today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to cook sinigang na pampano. Here's what we need for this recipe. You may pause the video to list down all the ingredients. Let's start cooking. In a large pan, add water, cooking oil, onion, ginger, and tomatoes. Cover and wait for the water to boil. Once the water starts boiling, add salt or fish sauce, ground black pepper, sinigang powder mix, stir thoroughly until well blended. Taste the soup and adjust the taste accordingly. Add pampano fish. Make sure the fish is already washed and clean. Cover the simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the fish so that the other side will be cooked as well. Add talbos ng kamote. Cover the simmer for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your sinigang na pampano is ready to be served. Thanks for watching guys. Please like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Bye!